Viewers, welcome to my channel. Marvel fashion trends, I create beautiful video. Flower vase decoration ideas with real flower. Please like and subscribe my channel. Love is holding hands forever. You're my favorite hello. With you, I'm home. Love is my compass to you. You are my forever favorite. With you, love feels infinite. You are my sweetest escape. Love is our unspoken language. Your heart whispers to mine. Every moment is better with you. Your love is my life's rhythm. You are my dream come true. Forever is not long enough with you. With you, life is sweeter. I choose you, always and forever. You're my sunshine on cloudy days. My heart beats only for you. You're my once-in-a-lifetime love. The best part of my day is you. Our love is pure and everlasting. You make my heart skip a beat. Every love song reminds me of you. You're my everything, always. We're written in the stars. Together, we create beautiful memories. You are the love I never knew I needed. In your eyes, I see my forever. Love adorns every corner of the church. Where love blooms, grace follows. Love is the heart of every arrangement. God's love is seen in every bloom. Flowers speak of love's quiet strength. Where love is planted, flowers bloom. Faith and love, an endless bouquet. Love is the true essence of flowers. Flowers speak the language of love. Love is the most beautiful arrangement.